If you are waiting for Samsung's next big software update, there is some good news. One UI 9, which will be based on Android 17, could feel noticeably smoother to use. Even though we are still waiting for One UI 8.5 to roll out to more Galaxy phones and tablets, Google has already released Android 17 Beta 1 for select Pixel devices, and under the hood, Android 17 brings some important changes that could improve everyday performance. One of the biggest upgrades in Android 17 is something most users will never see directly, but they will definitely feel. Google has introduced a new implementation of something called DeliQueue. This is a core part of the Android system. It controls how apps schedule tasks and update what you see on the screen. Every animation, every swipe, and every transition depends on this system working smoothly. In older versions of Android, DeliQueue worked in a serialized way. That means tasks were handled one after another. If one task took longer than expected, the next one had to wait. This waiting could cause delays, dropped frames, and small stutters in animations. You might notice it when switching apps, opening the camera, or going back to the home screen. Even tiny delays can make a phone feel less smooth. With Android 17, Google has redesigned this system. The new version is called DeliQueue. Instead of using a structure where tasks wait in line for each other, it uses a lock-free data structure. In simple terms, this allows different threads to move forward without being blocked by others. Tasks can run more freely, and the system does not get stuck waiting for one slow process to finish. This change reduces delays in rendering the user interface. According to Google, apps running on Android 17 show 4% fewer missed frames. System UI and launcher interactions show an even bigger improvement with 7% fewer missed frames. On paper, those numbers might not sound huge, but in daily use, they can make animations look smoother and transitions feel faster. Think about moving from the camera app back to the home screen, or quickly switching between social media apps, or scrolling through your app drawer. These are small actions, but they happen many times every day. If each one feels just a little smoother, the overall experience improves in a noticeable way. And this is just one of the improvements in Android 17. There are also other optimizations working behind the scenes to improve responsiveness and efficiency. Together, these changes aim to make Android feel more polished and fluid. For Samsung users, this is especially interesting. One UI 9 will be built on top of Android 17. Samsung already puts a lot of effort into refining animations and visual design with each One UI update. If the base system is now more efficient and better at handling UI tasks, Samsung's custom interface could benefit even more. That means One UI 9 may not only look better but also feel faster and more stable compared to One UI 8 and One UI 8.5. Smoother scrolling, quicker app switching, and fewer micro stutters could all be part of the experience. There are rumors that One UI 9 could debut around June or July this year, possibly alongside new foldable devices like the Galaxy Z Flip 8 and the Galaxy Z Fold 8. If that happens, those phones might be the first to show the full benefit of Android 17's improvements. Of course, real-world performance also depends on hardware. Newer processors and optimized software always work best together. But even existing devices that receive the update could see improvements thanks to these under-the-hood changes. In the end, this is a reminder that not every upgrade is about flashy new features. Sometimes the most important changes are the ones you don't see. If Google's new DeliQueue system works as promised, and Samsung builds on top of it effectively, One UI 9 could feel smoother, more responsive, and more enjoyable to use every single day.